I need the carrot and the bunny butt and this one. Like, if I could take one out of each pack. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, I'm at TJ. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I walk right into this. That is really pretty. This is my favorite flower. Oh wow. How much is this? Hold on. $16.99, $17 for that. This one right here, let me step back. Kind of nice and tall. It's taller than the vase. That's funny. Oh my goodness. $30 for that one. Oh, this big old potted one right here, $50 on that. That is pretty. I would rock that. I really like that. Yeah, we're used to seeing these, like, you know, with the rocks in there. Rocking, right? 13 on that. Yeah, not too crazy. That's pretty too. Oh my gosh. This vase is fire. I feel like I would get that at the thrift store. $30. Like, I like the vase. I don't like the flowers. Like, I will buy the vase. That is fire. 60 on the bunny. Let me take it up. That's super cute. The wind chimes over here. Like, why did I just start whispering like I'm not supposed to talk while the wind chimes is chiming or something? I don't know. Oh my goodness. But that's here. I don't see, like, whenever I hear that, I always feel like it's about to be a storm. You know, like it's windy and now things is about to go down. $13 for that one. The wreaths are here. Let me pull this one out in the bag. You know what? I feel like I want to do some new wreaths on the door for the spring. Really pretty. Oh, I love this. It's $25. The burlap bow is in the middle rocking. So this is kind of that same. Remember the whole bird's nest last year? Miss Girl, I had one in the front and the back. The little eggs were in there and everything. So I don't know. I'm scared. But it was so nice to see. You know what I mean? I just don't want to attract that. I don't know. I think I might rock this. I'm going to be on the think about. Oh, look at this one down here. This is kind of like a whole twist around. Look at that. That is very farmhouse to me. This thing is huge. It's like one big thing. Oh, that's behind it. So it's this whole thing, and it is so big. Let me see. Yeah, $40. I'm loving this whole twist and turn that's rocking in here. So yes on that. Miss Girl, let me scoop this back on up. Oh my goodness. And then they have all of these over here, $13, right? Very boho, I feel like. 25 on the ones with the eggs. So this one is actually pretty. I'm feeling that, but after Easter, I still want to keep something on the door, like not keep switching, you know, in and out. So I think I'm gonna pass on the eggs. I'm really feeling those flowers though. What is happening with me? How pretty is this? How much? 13. This is heavy too. Throw some fakery in there. Yes on that. I feel like Bridgerton. Once I saw it, it was a wrap. Now I'm all about the flowers and the gold. Oh my goodness. Oh nice. All the outside cutie cute. Look at him. That is cute. All the Nomi's back there rocking. Yes. I feel like he's in my soul right now. 25 on that. Oh my goodness. I feel like it's been forever since I've been in here. I haven't seen any of these things. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? Like, that makes me want to eat a big salad like Elaine. $9.99 on that. That is really pretty. That primrose vintage. That is cute. I don't see a price on either one of these. The straw is missing from that one. But the bling is pretty on here. That green, that emerald. Yes on that. For St. Patty's. This is so darn cute. It's only $6. I think that's going to be something I'm going to have to grab. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready. I still have the Valentine's Day stuff rocking on the tree. Oh my goodness. I love this though. It's so pretty. The bake shop is always rocking. Is this a big yellow pepper? I feel like. I think so. That casserole dish. And the strawberry. This is a mug, I feel like. $7.99. It smells like vinegar, salt, pepper, and cucumbers. Do you eat that combination? Oh my goodness, that's what it smells like in here right now. Olive you. That's super cute. This is $6, $5.99. Like this Cotton and Company, I'm feeling this too. It's the flowers, it's the whole situation here with the bunny, right? That is adorable. That's $20. Yes, on the bunny butt pillow. That is funny. It's nice and fluffy soft too. $17 on the Isaac Mizrahi, right? Oh my goodness. All of the Miss Girl. You better stop it on that. Oh my goodness, it's a whole thing now. Wow, this is making me want to pull out all the things. Look at her, Miss Thing, with all of that going on. Sassy. She is sassy. $7, $6.99. That's adorable. This is making me want to pull out all the things to see what I'm rocking. $10 for this. How super cute is that? The ears rocking on top of the candle. I want the candle just because of that. Now, that don't make no sense. That's a vanilla bean. Let me see. Oh, that's nice. Let me see how much it is. $13. I was so careful. Oh, my goodness. It made me nervous. That thing is heavy. Let me whip it on around, right? With the chicks and everything. I see this sign so many different ways now. It's so darn cute, that Easter with the bunny ears. Oh, you better stop it on that. That is adorable. Wow. That's so cute. $13. I really like this. It's the only one I see. I think I want it in the cart. Yes, on the chick in the stack cups. Little chunky. That is cute. The light up. This is $25 right here. I don't see. Oh, yeah, you could tell, like, in the middle of the flowers. How cute is the seed no, taste no, hear no, right? I love this. How much is this? $13. This is $13 too. I'm debating because, you know, of the neutral, right? This is me right here, right? But this is all white and I love it with just kind of like that pop, right? So I think I want it. This is super cute. And the cart. Now this is fire. It's only 2 of them here too. This is $25. The bunny's climbing the ladder. Look, he's stuck in between trying to get up. She barely staying up. It's a whole thing going on. Oh, that's super cute. In the cart. I feel like I may have a couple of these bunnies already rocking. Here's a nice little wicker one back here. $6.99. That's cute and tiny. $7. Yeah, I feel like I kind of got it going on with all of this. Oh, this me and the girls right here rocking. This is $20. It's so darn cute, but I can't. Hubby gonna be like, well, where am I at? Oh my goodness. Back on the shelf. Well, this is a given 100% set of 3, right? On the cupcakes, the bunny butt is rocking. That is super cute. This is $10 in the cart. Wait a minute. It's a different one. Oh no. Okay. These bunnies right here. This is the one I just put in the cart. And this one with the carrot. I need the carrot and the bunny butt. And this one, like if I could take one out of each pack. Oh my goodness. It's a whole thing. I think I would rather have the bunny butt. All right, I'm gonna stay with what I have already in the cart. Oh my goodness. And I'm on the floor, Miss Girl. This denim is fire. The silicone oven mitts. It's a set of 2. That color drift kitchen. That is fire. $10. How cute is this? That is me 100%. Right? That whole bling up top, Mickey rocking, all the little Mickeys. $10. Oh, how pretty is this? All the princesses. I make my own magic. They are rocking. That is pretty. Well, how long has it been? I have never seen these big ass mugs. Princess with the bow back here. These are $10. Oh my goodness, that's so darn pretty. Wow. Darn it. I don't need this. I do not need this. It's so pretty though. Let me put it back on the hook. Oh, here's that olive view. Like we saw earlier, here's the mug. That's cute, right? $6. I just wanted to take a quick peek to make sure I wasn't missing out on the Mickeys that's rocking. Him and Minnie. No, I don't see any. All right. Yes, on the Just One Bite. I saw this as I was walking away. That's what's rocking on the other side. Snow White in there. That is pretty. These are $7.99. Over here on the tank. Remember the tank? Full of Ray Dunn? Oh my goodness. Memories, right? I just wanted to see what was rocking. Are these attached? Oh, they sure are. Is that like a set of 4? Oh, it's a set of 2. Okay. How pretty is that? I mean, I'm excited because 1, I haven't been to TJ in a minute, and 2, at least I feel like it's been a minute, and I forgot all the Easter stuff was out, so I'm really excited to see all of this. This is 13. Yeah, this is me over here. Look at this with the Happy Easter carrots. That's nice and simple. That's $10. Look at the baskets. Let me bring that forward. $7.99. That is really pretty. I think I want this too. In the cart. $10 on the carrots right here, right? I do like an orange carrot, but I'm feeling these too, actually. They're the only one. Oh no, it's another set over there. I think I'm gonna grab them. If I don't, I'm gonna regret that I didn't. It's gonna be a whole thing. So, in the cart. Oh, this basket is different. It's kind of that up and down on that. You can tell, right? Yeah, that's different. This one is $10. I like the other one better that I put in the cart. This one is rocking. Oh, that's that one that feels, you know, the feels. You think Hershey need this? Miss Girl. Oh my goodness, look. That is funny. They're super cute. I wonder, $10. I wonder, you know, how she would be with the bigger ones. You know what I mean? I don't know. I'm not going to grab it now, though. Oh, my goodness. I love these. I love the whole design. This one is $15. Miss Girl, that thing is heavy, and this is a bigger one. Oh, my goodness. I can barely lift. That's $20. To be that heavy, too. Wow. These are pretty. Yes. That is adorable. $20. Oh, I love this bouquet. That is really pretty. Let me see how much. Oh, $15. I didn't want to do the whole crinkle in your ear. I was going to say, hold on. Isn't that so pretty? I might as well grab it now. Yeah, I like it a lot. I really do. In the cart. Oh, this vase is pretty too. Nice little color on that. $7.99, $8. Throw some fakery. And these are always a hit with me with the whole fake water situation, right? I think they are just so pretty. I have quite a few of these. There's that blue and white again on the other side. That's fire. I'm outside of checkout. I needed a new pop socket for my phone. How cute is this? The radio. That's a whole vibe right there. In the cart. All right, I'm in line. Let me see what's rocking. The pop socket, right? The carrots. The basket. This basket is fire. I really do like this. The flowers here, right? The ladder. That's probably my fave. Let me move around. Oh, yeah, the bunnies. I forgot. I put them in here. And yes, on these. Where are the cupcakes? Oh, man. I gotta go back and get the cupcakes. I'm back in the aisle. I pulled it out to compare it to, I was trying to see which ones I wanted and forgot to put it back in the cart. Oh my goodness, yes. In the cart. All right, bye. Oh, it's more flowers and checkout. And more mugs. Who's that back there? Oh my goodness, hold on. I gotta walk and talk at the same time. That is adorable. The 7, is it 7? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, it took them forever to come out with that last drawer. I guess it was because of the pandemic. That is so funny. Let me see. Whistle while you work. This girl is sitting on top of the carrots already in the cart. Yeah. All right, bye.